Hi guys, David Durnell with RV Wholesalers back with another Hey RVW. We had a customer ask us, hey RVW, what's the Buckeye Service Guarantee? Simply put, the Buckeye Service Guarantee is something that we do for our neighbors in Ohio, people that buy from us in the great state of Ohio. You can also take advantage of it if you're in a neighboring state. We have customers as far away as Illinois that bring their units back to us for all the service work. If you bring it to us for service work and your RV is not usable, then we give you an RV to use at no charge, no cost, no fees, no nothing. Totally free, 100%. We also have free delivery in Ohio when you buy a new RV or a used RV from us. You get a discount on parts, and you also have in there 3 days to bring your RV back and switch it out for another stock RV. So say you get it home, didn't like the way your tow vehicle towed it, doesn't fit the dogs, doesn't fit the kids, right? Just doesn't fit your family. It's not exactly what you thought you wanted. No need to tell us the reason, just have it back before 3 days. We'll switch you out with another unit that we have in stock. And there's even more to the Buckeye Service Guarantee. Check it out on our website, rvwholesalers.com, or give us a call if you have more questions, 877-877-4494. We'd love to talk to you. We'd love to help you. Please follow us on Facebook and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page.